Hey guys, so it's early in the morning. I was trying to hurry up and get a quick workout in before the kids got up, but my babies are up. They sitting on the couch. You can't really see them, but they're on their tablet. You probably see them when I get ready to position you another way where we can see me doing my workout. But I'm just gonna end up doing a 5-minute workout because I haven't been working out, so I want to just ease into it. And my hips have been really sore. Like when I sleep, that's what wakes me up besides me having to go pee. So my hips have been on fire, and I think I just need to stretch. I was gonna do some yoga, but I ended up just trying. I'm gonna just try doing some I guess some squats and a workout, right? So a 5-minute workout it says 5-minute workout for pregnancy, maternity workout, whatever. So I am in my second trimester. As you can see my belly. I'm not that big, but so I feel like I could do a lot more, but I want to ease into it before I just, go all out, I guess. And like I said, I do have an elliptical in my garage. I do like to get on there, so I'll probably do that later. Not like later after this workout, but like later whenever everybody's outside, because it feels good. It's good weather outside. It's gonna be good weather outside later today, so I'll be outside. But I just want to got up, took a bath. Just decided to get myself together because I have been slacking these past other weekends. I have been sleeping in and not really doing what I need to do. Like if you can see behind this camera, this house is a hot mess because we've been getting ready to move everybody in their rooms. All the kids are moving around because of the baby gonna be having their own room, his or her own room. So yeah, let's get right into the video because I'll be talking forever and ever and ever. But anywho, so I'm gonna start the video and I'll start doing my workout. So hope y'all enjoy. And I think I'll finish the whole 5 minutes. I usually, I'll stop. I even tried to start one time and I could not. I was just so tired and sore. So hopefully I'm feeling a lot better with this starting my second trimester. So I can finish it all the way through, especially just 5 minutes. So all right, let's see how this goes. I do?
Yep.
Well, dang, can you make it go faster? I can't do it. I can't.
It's 10 more.
Somebody help me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Jesus. No more. Woo! That was 5 minutes.
Introducing Feel Good Fashion for the Feel Good.
I don't know if that's 5 minutes, y'all. Let's see. Yes! I made it. That's it. time. That was hard. You want to do it next time?
No.
Ooh, okay. I thought that was gonna be easy, y'all. That was hard. Woo! I probably didn't have good form or nothing like that. But I'm done. I'm about to stretch, and then I'm gonna get ready to make food for the kiddos, and then we gotta start cleaning. Cause like I said, this house is a mess. You want a little glimpse? I'll show you a little glimpse. Let me show you. Better get out the way. He don't want to be on the camera. But look, I got the light right here. But look, guys, look. My son throwing all these toys on the ground. My kitchen counter is a mess. And then my dining room is a mess. Hallway's a mess. So yeah, we got a lot to do. So we're gonna get ready to clean and do all that stuff. Well, we're going to the park today? Oh, tomorrow. All right, so that's our plan for today. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And I'll see y'all on my next video. All right, bye-bye. All right, so I have my daughter right here. She's about to get ready to cook the kids some beef lasagna is what it's called, but it's like hamburger helper. It's made the same way. So there she goes. She just finished washing her hands. Okay, so go ahead and grab your box. Don't mind the bowl behind her. I'm making some cornbread later, but all right.
How you feel? Tell me. How you feel? Hold on real quick. Gotta get you a microphone. How you feel? Tell me how I feel to cook the first meal.
I didn't cook the first meal.
It's about to be cooked. Tell me what you think. Are you hoping it's gonna taste good? You gonna be the first one to taste it?
No.
Alright.
The timer has went off. We're waiting for Alicia to come in here.
Alicia.
Let me do it. Yeah. No, look, put it down. Girl, the thing hot. So these are clamps. Use the clamp. You can bring it over here. Put that, yep. Go ahead, place it on top of here. Woo, because that steam is really hot. All right, you can put that down. Huh? Well, you say that. Now you go ahead and mix it up. Look what you did, girl.
Yeah, that look good, boy.
You turn off the
Stir
timer.
that good. Stir that good.
And that's pretty much it.
Now you gotta taste it. Let me see you taste it. Let me see you taste
If
it.
you like it, season to taste. All right, now, Felicia, say bye.
Hold on, wait. Let's see that reaction, baby. Blow it, blow it, blow it. I start blowing it. Why I do that? You see me?
It's hot.
Blow it some more, girl. Come on. Blow it. So it looks fake.
You made it. Says good. All right, pound it. You did it.
Good job, baby.
All right.